The autopsy report of 28-year-old journalist Mukesh Chandrakar has revealed shocking details of the brutal murder he endured. Mukesh, who had exposed corruption involving Congress leader Suresh Chandrakar in a 120 crore road project, went missing on January 1st after meeting Ritesh Suresh brother at one of their properties. His body was found later with 15 fractures to the head, a broken neck, and his heart ripped out. Doctors who conducted the post-mortem, some with over 12 years of experience, stated that they had never witnessed such extreme brutality. They also suspected the involvement of more than two individuals. Mukesh's body was discovered in a septic tank located on Suresh Chandrakar's property. Mukesh's brother Yukesh filed a missing report after Mukesh's phone was turned off. Mukesh had been last seen meeting Ritesh at one of the contractor's properties. After the murder, Chhattisgarh police arrested Suresh Chandrakar in Hyderabad on January 5th after he fled on January 3rd. His brothers Dinesh and Ritesh were also apprehended. The Bijapur administration took swift action by demolishing illegal structures owned by Suresh and seizing 3 of his bank accounts. Additionally, government land that had been unlawfully occupied by the contractor was returned to the state.